Hey, my name is Shawn. This is a day in the life of a cook. Got a camera crew with me. Come take a walk in my shoes.
Hey, off to work. About to make it a great day. Let's get it.
All right, it's Wednesday. Getting ready for a busy day. We got about 122, 130 on the books. About to start prepping, get everything set up on the line. This is my parsley. My microgreens, remoulade for the lobster bites. Got my lemon wedges. So right now, give you an overhead of my workstation. About to cut some veggies, get this gumbo rolling, and get ready for service. I'm a cook at Q1227. We serve modern comfort food from steaks to seafood to salads to meatloafs. Makes you feel like you're at home when you're here. My role is to make sure that the chef and the sous chefs have everything that they need for the line, everything that they need for service, cutting, prepping, wiping down, pulling something out of the oven, a setup for success. It's like a chess game. Stay 3 steps ahead.
The game should be ready. Hi, man. Look, come and get it.
Yes, sir. Laughter, smiles, gratitude, everything comes from food. Can't lie if you taste something great. It shows on your face. For our raviolis, I gotta cut some thyme and fry some basil. A lot of people not in the restaurant industry have a misconception of a chef and a cook. A chef has more responsibilities. He does more of the delegating, more of the recipes.
And then that cowboy, get well on cake.
A cook helps the chef's vision come to life.
Oh, that's got some spice to it.
Getting into the restaurant industry, just getting into and applying, I felt I had a step ahead already cooking. But then getting in there and having that hands-on experience, working side by side with other cooks, working with chefs, and just head down grinding and them showing me the way, I learned so much. And it kept me in the field, kept me wanting to keep going and being more, having more responsibilities. What's great about this career is you can grow. You could be on a cruise ship, military, hotels, restaurants. Everybody has to eat. So to have that skill, to have that in you, to have that drive in you, and the different places you can go with it, it's all on you. I started cooking just trying to get attention from my mom, the youngest of 3. She was always in the kitchen. So I figured that's where I should be. I was on her hip from day one. The looks, the smiles that it brings, being in the kitchen, being around family, that's where family happens. That's where everything happens. The gratitude of seeing someone smile and having that factor, it's amazing. Something I hold on to. I want to yell that it's hot to let the people know behind that door that I'm coming through with something hot. Hot pan, hot pan.
Welcome our Indeed team with us today. Today we are booked to 123, which earlier today it was at like 78 and now we're at 123. So that's a good rainy day. We only have 4 large parties, the largest being a 7 top. So it should be pretty easy squeezy today. It's gonna be a great day today. We're gonna do it right. 1, 2, 3, and let's have a great day.
All right, guys, we're opening in 5 minutes. Got the whole staff getting everything prepped and ready. Let's make it happen.
5 o'clock, we're live.
Skills needed. You gotta have a sense of urgency. You gotta be humble. You have to have patience. Be able to rise to the occasion under pressure. You gotta be able to have thick skin. Things will be said that is not intentional. You gotta want it to happen if you want it to happen. That's the main skill. Pros and cons. Short days, long nights. You're gonna get burns, you're gonna get blisters, you're gonna get cut. But the pros of it is the dish after you burn yourself and you still get it out and it's still, presentation is still amazing, and the guest comes up to the counter afterwards and explains what that dish meant to them or where they came from to eat that dish. It kind of makes it all okay. Man, night's jumping off, pretty busy right now, only mid-time of the day. It's time to keep going. And that's all we're gonna do is just keep going. All right. So to get into this industry it's not hard. You can either just dive on in and get hands-on experience from a restaurant, from a cook, from a chef, or you can go to culinary school. Everybody has to eat. So no matter what computers do or take away in life and jobs, you have to eat. You're gonna have to cook, whether it's at home, someone else's home, or in a restaurant. It's a job that you can take with you everywhere you go. It's a job that is needed. Hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you guys later.
All right, another night in the books, guys. Great night, you guys, right? Great night? Great night, great night, great night. They did a great job, man. Have a good one.
It's hot. It's fire. Good. It's mushrooms.